Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove your account from Snapchat. If you have decided to take a break or no longer want to use Snapchat, this guide will help you. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. On your main screen, you can see Bitmoji, your profile icon in top left corner. Tap on it. This will open your profile. And on your profile, you can see a gear icon or setting icon on top right corner. Tap on it. And this will open your settings. Scroll down onto the help center. Here it is, then tap on it. And now scroll down until you see manage my account. Tap on it, and there you can see an option of delete or reactivate my account. Tap on it. This will open a page where you can see two options or two questions over there. First is how to deactivate or delete my Snapchat account, and second one is how do I reactivate my Snap account. We are going to delete and deactivate the account, so tap on first question. This will open this interface. Here you can see a three platform over here. One is Android, second one is iOS, and third one is web. My phone is Android, so I'm going to use this instruction. Let's do it. First of all, let's go to Snapchat account portal. And here enter your username. Then tap on next. I will use my email address. Then tap on next. Then it asks to enter your password. Enter your password. After you are done, tap on next. Here you can see delete my account option. Tap on it. Here Snapchat will again ask you if you are sure you want to delete this account. If you want to proceed, you have to enter your username, password below and press continue. It also inform you that your account will be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chat or snaps you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you like to reactivate your account before it happens, just log into Snapchat before 30 days. Okay, and there's also one more note. That is, if you have requested your data and haven't received it yet, please wait until you have downloaded your data to delete your account. We won't be able to contact you if your account is scheduled for deletion. So if you have some important data or photos, videos in your Snapchat, also download the data from Snapchat from my data section on your setting. I no longer need my data, so I'm going to proceed. Here it have my username. Now I'm going to enter my password. Then tap on continue. And my account is deactivated. For now, my account have been deactivated. It takes around 30 days for deletion. Snapchat will send the deletion confirmation on your verified email. So for sure, your account will be deleted in 30 days. But however, if you want to reactivate your account, you can do it before 30 days. And that's it, you have successfully removed your Snapchat account. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in next video.